Welcome. I'm Jamie Williams, and this is the RiddlesBendMedia channel. Here, we're all about getting your time and getting your financial future back on track. Today, I got a review. It's about MEL Science. Your kids will love this stuff, and it also makes a great gift if, say, you're a grandparent and you don't really know what to get your grandkids. This makes a great gift. And if you think your kid maybe is a little bit behind due to all the COVID lockdown and all that, don't hesitate to get this. I've done a full review on this. It's on my website, RiddlesBendMedia.com. I'll leave the link below in the description. But let's just kind of check it out. This thing is it's really amazing. They've got coding, they got coding, they got profession, they got chemistry, they got now they added medical. Let's just check some of it out. If you look at some of this stuff here, where you got coding, say your kid is into computers and computer programming and stuff, they got it. Or maybe they're into rockets. Maybe they want to be a rocket scientist or something like that, STEMs or something. They got that. Professionals, they got that. Role playing, real life tools, they got all that kind of stuff. They got chemistry. A lot of people love chemistry, especially kids. I said, but the big thing is they just started their medical thing, their medical stuff here, and it's pretty amazing. Let's just say your kid is thinking about going, maybe he's in high school, and maybe they're thinking about becoming a doctor where they can learn how to, sew people up or sew make a cut, sew it up, and or maybe they want to get into dental work, or maybe go to dental school. They teach them a little bit about the dental part of it, in case they really want to get into it, how to fix cavities and stuff. You can cast jaws. You get into drilling teeth and all that kind of stuff. I mean, this is pretty good. Now, this stuff ain't toys. This is something that the chemistry set's real. You want to make sure when you give this to them, it's either it's at the right age, or you're with them and helping them through some of this stuff. But if they want, maybe they want to become a therapist and help people who get hurt, who have had surgery, but now they need rehab and stuff. They can help. They got education on that. Becoming a pharmacist, you got some who may want to become a pharmacist. They got different levels of that. So this is an all around good little learning tool that you can use for your kids and maybe help them in their education. Or maybe you think they're behind and you just want to give them something to get them caught back up. Or maybe summer's going to get out here soon. School will be getting out. Where everybody's getting out for the summer here in about another month or two, and maybe you just want to keep them busy, or maybe get them ahead. Or maybe maybe they're in high school and they're talking about, hey, I may want to go into the dental, or I may want to get into maybe a nurse, or maybe become a doctor. You can get into the medical part right here and you can see it. Or maybe they're really good with computers, they like video games, they want to get into the coding part, and start building video games for a living. There's just, it's endless what their imagination will let them do. You got different stuff for different age groups, but I would look at it but I wouldn't necessarily let the age bother me as much, as long as you're like, especially if it's a chemistry set, you kind of want to be with them, because some of those experiments, that's real. I mean, it's not something that you're just finding something on YouTube and adding vinegar and baking soda. Some of this stuff is real. It's real. Real stuff. So you want to make sure either you get it with appropriate age, but you want to make sure you're also with them and kind of supervising it to make sure, you know, it doesn't get out of hand. But if you enjoy this, I'm Jamie Williams, and this is the RiddlesBendMedia channel. Like I said, I've done a full write-up on this. Feel free to read it at RiddlesBendMedia. I'll put the link in the first link in the description, and you can check it out. And don't forget to subscribe. Hit the little bell icon so you get all of my notifications. And whatever you do, share and like. And I do appreciate you supporting my channel. Thank you.